Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth here from What Elizabeth Creates, and today I'm going to show you how I did my week 7 layout for Project Life of 2019. So as you can see, I have my two 9x12 page protectors right here. This is the back of week 6, which I didn't film, but I really love how this layout turned out. You can check my Instagram to see the full layout, and I will link my Instagram down below. So here I am. This is week 7, so it's the week of Valentine's Day. So I decided to go with lots of reds. So right now I am going to put all my photos. I have a lot of photos for this week, so I'm just going to work on putting those photos down. And this just gives me a really good idea of where I want my photos to go. As you can see, there's not a lot of room for journaling on this particular part of the layout, but I will fix that here in a bit when I add all my journaling cards. This week actually worked out really perfectly because we're all wearing pops of pink and red. So I didn't plan that, but it just worked out so great for Valentine's Day. Now for this layout, I'm actually going to be using the February Stories by the Month kit, and this card is from the 2019 physical kit that Allie Edwards does. She does a Stories by the Month kit every month. It's around $10 to $13. And it's definitely worth it if you do Project Life like this, either monthly or weekly. So I know I want to put that as my title card, and I only have 2 spots of journaling right now, but obviously I have more stories to tell than that. So I'm going to go ahead and print out my journaling cards and put you on fast forward, and I will be back. This spread came together really quickly and really easily, mostly because I was able to use a couple of the digital cards and embellishments from the 2019 February Stories by the Month kit that Allie puts out. As you can see, I'm just cutting down some of my journaling to add on to that Loving This card. I already cut a few 3x4 cards that say love on it, and I'm going to repeat that as an element throughout my spread. And I also ended up resizing these little Loving This embellishments. These were originally 3x4 cards in the kit, but I sized them down to fit in a 1.5-inch circle, and then just added a little bit of journaling at the very bottom, and I'm going to add those to some of my photos to bring a little bit of continuity to the spread and also just a few more words. Now you're going to see me stick down this photo of my daughter and her puppy on this Loving These Details card, which kind of matched the little embellishments that I made, but I am going to end up changing out that card. And I also decided to use some of the banners in the kit that came in I believe it's 2019 February Stories by the Month kit, but one says Hello February, the other one says Bits and Pieces, and then I also created a larger one that has the dates that I'm working on for this week. So I'm just going to add that Bits and Pieces banner to the photo of my daughter in her car seat, and then I'm going to move on to this 4x6 card. I am using some Pendleton red alphas. Those are from Allie Edwards, to spell out Waimea Gardens, which is where this photo was taken. And then I'm going to add that little chipboard embellishment that says "You Are My Everything" down below. So I actually printed out a 3x4 card, the one that you can see there that has the yellow banner that says Hello February, and I did a little bit of journaling about some of my photos labeled 1 through 4. So I'm just going to add those numbers to some of my photos so that you can tell where the journaling goes to the photos. And that is my spread completed. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I'm trying a new style where I'm adding music throughout my video, and I would love to know what you think. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.